friends, and welcome back to Daily Fluent English. I'm Priya.
And I'm Rohan. Today we are going to a very popular and useful place, the coffee shop. Whether you're traveling abroad, meeting friends, or working remotely, knowing English at a cafe will make your life much easier and more confident.
In this episode, we'll learn natural dialogues, useful vocabulary, and polite expressions you can use at any coffee shop. Let's grab a virtual cup of coffee and begin.
Imagine you walk into a busy cafe. Here's how a natural conversation goes.
Hi, welcome to Brewhaven. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I please have a medium cappuccino with oat milk and a shot of vanilla?
Sure. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can I also get a blueberry muffin?
Absolutely. That'll be 320 rupees. Would you like to pay with card or UPI?
Great job, Priya. Notice how we use can I please have, with, and would you like.
Let's learn important words you'll hear and use. Espresso, strong black coffee. Cappuccino, espresso with steamed milk and foam. Latte, espresso with lots of steamed milk. Americano, espresso with hot water. Flat white, espresso with velvety milk. Iced/hot, oat milk/almond milk/soy milk, dairy alternatives. Extra shot, more espresso. To go/for here.
Useful phrases. Can I have it with almond milk instead? No sugar, please. Could you make it less sweet? I'd like it to go, please.
Coffee shops are perfect for practicing English. Here's a friendly chat.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you. This place has such a nice atmosphere. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come almost every weekend to work or read. The coffee here is really good. What about you?
This is my first time. I'm new in the city. By the way, what do you do?
I'm a content writer. What brings you to this cafe today?
I'm catching up on some emails. It's a great place to focus. Sometimes things go wrong. Learn how to speak up nicely.
Excuse me, I ordered a hot latte, but this one is cold. Could you please warm it up or make a new one?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I'll prepare a fresh one right away.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Other useful lines. Sorry, but there's no spoon in my cup. The Wi-Fi isn't working. Could you reset it? Could I have some extra napkins, please?
Hi there. What would you like today?
Hi, I'll have a large iced caramel latte with oat milk and a croissant, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
That's all for now. Can I have it to go?
Sure. Your total is 450 rupees. Here's your receipt. Your order will be ready in a couple of minutes. Thank you. Speak slowly and clearly. Use polite words. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. Sorry. Listen carefully to the barista's questions. Don't be afraid to ask them to repeat. Sorry, could you say that again? Smile. It makes the conversation warmer.
Coffee shops are wonderful places to practice real English. Next time you visit one, challenge yourself to order and chat in English only.
That's all for today's episode on English at the coffee shop. Practice these dialogues with your friends, or even while recording yourself.
If you've had any funny or interesting cafe experiences in English, share them in the comments. We read every single one.
Thank you for watching Daily Fluent English. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical English lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and see you at the next coffee shop. Bye-bye.